Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to upload products in bulk. First, open the Admin panel. Once the Admin panel is open, go to Settings, then to Data Transfer. Click on Create Import, choose the type, and upload the file. You can also add an image directory path. Choose the action and validation strategy and enter the field separator. You can enable or disable the process using the toggle button. Click on Save Import. Once the import is created successfully, click on Validate. After validation completes and your import is valid, click on Import. Your import will be processed, and once completed, you can see the details including start time, completion time, and summary. You can edit or delete your import. Now you can check the products uploaded in bulk in the Catalog section. Go to Catalog, then Products. Here, you will find all the products you recently uploaded in bulk. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.